All right, welcome back, beloved student of BYU. Okay, so let's continue from where we stopped. So I actually promised to make another video to continue. Okay, so going to close this time. So while we look at the screen, now the question is, how do we edit our own file? So here we have, go to the next page to write your own paragraph. Now let's write our own paragraph. So let's take, for instance, this is my own paragraph, and this is an example from BYU. Please don't write this one. Okay, write your own paragraph. So now that I have my own paragraph, what do I need to do? Now if you look below your screen, you will notice that you have share, read aloud, edit. So click on the edit button below. So now you can edit. Okay, and for my own, I'm going to change my button. Okay, no. So now I have to change my button. Okay, and if I change my button, if I click on the screen, you can start. Let's quickly move. So I'm going to do an edit. I'm going to write my own. Okay, so let's say, for instance, this is my own. Okay, I'm going to copy this because that is the example they use. After clicking on edit, okay, after clicking on the edit button, okay, I'm going to copy this. Or this is my topic sentence, and I'm going to go down where it says write my own, and I'm going to copy this part. They say I should write my own, and I'm going to write my own there. Okay, so now I've gotten my topic, and then here I'm going to choose my own supporting details. So this is my own supporting details. I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to copy this as my supporting details. Okay, and I'm going to write my own here. The same thing you're going to do too. Write your own here, and for my concluding sentence, I'm going to choose this one. This is my own I've written, but your own will be different from this one. Please do not copy this unless you get the 0. I'm going to paste my own here, and after that, the instruction is paste the paragraph part together here. Indent the first line. Do not separate line with space. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Here is already indented. I'm going to paste everything here. So starting from everything that I copied. Okay, if I go to the clipboard, I'm going to see that teach to learn was the first thing I copied. I'm going to paste that here. Oh no, that was wrong. So I'm going to paste that. Teach to learn. Okay, and after that, the next one was the supporting details, and I'm going to also paste that. I'm going to paste this one. That is the supporting detail. And after supporting detail, the concluding sentence, I'm going to paste all of them here. And then I'm going to indentation. Let's look for indentation from this part. Where can we get indentation? So this arrow here, you can use it to add as your indentation. So if I click on that arrow, I just shifted it. I need to shift only one side, but that's supposed to work. But if it did not work, there's another way. So every indentation has 4 shifts. So I'm going to click on 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to click on that to create what is known as indentation over here. So when I'm done, I'm going to click on this arrow over here. Click on that arrow. Okay, when you click on the arrow, your work is saved. So we are following this instruction together. Paste the paragraph part together here. Indent the first line. Do not separate lines between space. Okay, so with this instruction, we have done our assignment. Okay, so now we have also clicked on that part to save it. This document contains ink shape. Okay, so If you want to edit any other thing, you click on the edit, okay? And if you are done, click on this arrow at the top left corner of your screen, and your work is being saved, okay? It's being saved. So we are done with this, but we want to submit this. So I'm going to go out and come back to this place to submit my assignment. I'm not going to resubmit this assignment, but I'm going to show you. If you had submit assignment here button, click on that button and then check for your file. You save it. My own, I save it in Xender. So I click on device, and when I click on device, okay, I'm going to look for my own work. It is not here, but it is in this device. I'm going to click on that three dots at the top left corner, and I'm going to go to my device, okay, where I have document. Inside document, inside the Xender, okay, I had a file inside Xender, okay, not document. Alright, I'm going to come back and show us how to submit that assignment, okay. If this time is up, I'm going to show us how to submit the assignment, but let's go back to download, Techno Spark 90, which is the device, and let's scroll down to Xender where we have our work. Now I'm going to look for what I needed to submit. It's going to be hard to look for it. Document. So this is my work here. Christian, under document, Christian basic paragraph. So I'm going to click on this, and Christian basic paragraph is already showing up here. So when I click on submit, it will submit that assignment, but I'm not going to click on submit because I've already submitted the assignment. And that is how to do your assignment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to show us how to do for week 3 for your Excel. Okay, please stay tuned.